If you're looking for a good laugh, then Tusculum University is the place for you. Starting tonight and for the next 4 evenings, Theater at Tusculum will present a collection of 8 short plays entitled The Sneeze. And here with more on The Sneeze is Steve Schultz. How you doing?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm going to tell on you. You were up until 2 o'clock this morning, rehearsing, getting things ready for this.
Absolutely, yeah.
We're a lot of work has gone into this.
Oh, a whole lot of work, yes, and all worth it. And I hope everybody gets to enjoy it.
Now, breaking it down, 8 different plays within one evening.
Correct, yeah. So this is Anton Chekov's collection of comedies that he wrote. He famously hated writing plays.
Okay.
But then these were the 8 that he loved so very much. And then recently Michael Frayn, who's the playwright who wrote like Noises Off and a bunch of other famous, translated it into English, and it just took off.
So talk to me. The audience is going. It's almost like a chapter book. You're going to see different chapters, but all of them are going to make you laugh.
Absolutely. Well, all but one. So 7 of them are absolutely hilarious and very bizarre scenarios. And one of them is incredibly serious with some lighter moments.
Okay.
And I get to be in that one. So, yeah.
Now, did you choose that or?
No, actually, my wife is the director. Erin. She's also our costume director at Tusculum, and so she has me in that one. She cast the show.
And talk to me about why did y'all decide you wanted to do this series of plays?
Well, so our director, Erin Hensley Schultz, is she's phenomenal with comedy. She's a brilliant comedian. And then when she was younger and living in Greenville, actually David Hawk directed her in a production of The Sneeze. And so we had the chance to do it. It came open for us, and it's a brilliant collection of comedy. And then we had 20 incredible local actors, like the best of the best. So it was an obvious choice.
Talk to me, give us a scenario for just one of the plays. We don't want to give everything away.
Well, I mean, we might as well talk about The Sneeze itself.
Yes.
There is a play called The Sneeze, one of the 8, and it's entirely silent. There's no speaking. And essentially the premise is a lower level Russian bureaucrat accidentally sneezes on the back of the head of a high level bureaucrat and panics so much throughout the whole course of the evening with him and his wife that it's just absolute madness and chaos.
There's not a word spoken?
Not a word spoken.
But it comes across.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely.
The
very
message
much so.
comes across.
Yes, we have the great Andy Ross leading that comedy, so yeah.
How have rehearsals gone?
Intense. It's a lot of work.
I'm sure.
You know, this is one of the greatest literary writers of all time. So it's a lot of work to get the words and to really put meaning behind the words.
Yes.
But we have a phenomenal director. We have a great cast. So it's been a lot of intense work that we've really liked doing.
Now, it's not, I know you're kind of cross-pollinating on some of these. Are other people as well being in multiple roles?
Yeah, pretty much everybody's in at least 2. And then we also are all working the set and working on costumes and backstage. So it's a little over 2 hours of us not stopping, yeah.
This is a great challenge for the Tusculum Theater Department.
It is, and we have a bunch of students in the show. We have our theater majors in it. We have students working stage management, and students helped us with lights and set. So yeah, it's been a phenomenal time for them.
And I love the name of some of these: The Evils of Tobacco, The Bear, The Inspector General, The Swan Song, The Proposal. They're all intriguing titles that are going to draw you into each one.
Absolutely.
That's what you want, is the people. It's kind of hard, you know, because you're used to being Act 1, Act 2, you know, intermission, whatever, and they come in. So this is going to be boom, 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 boom.
And they're all complete stories.
Yes.
It's beginning to end for all of them. They're not like vignettes. They are 8 short stories.
How long is, on average, is each one?
I think the shortest is about 10 minutes, and the longest is about 20. So they're all weighty. They all have their time.
And I think this is perfect for people who love to scroll on their phone.
Not during the show.
Not during the show. No, but I'm just saying, you're going to be there, you're going to be intense, and then you're going to get something different.
That's exactly right, yeah.
All right. We appreciate you stopping by.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
It really is.
It really is. The Sneeze. Achoo. Thank you. Bless you.
Bless you.
It's coming up starting tonight at Tusculum University, and we got all the information for you right there on the screen.